Hello YouTube. Here we got the Targus 50-inch camera tripod. Gonna give this boy a try. I got this one at Target for, I think it was like $15, $16. It's a nice pouch here. You can carry it with you anywhere. It's nice. Cool. This is cool to do some recordings and pictures. Got the menu and all that good stuff. So we're gonna open it up. Cool. Lock it. Here, we got the bubble here. Nice. You can actually, you can actually expand it if you want, make it higher. Cool. Cool. And just lock it. It goes up to 50-inch. It goes up to 50-inch. Bonus carrying bag included. Now it doesn't come with this phone holder. So if you can just get an adapter, you can screw it on. Here, let me show you. You can screw it on there, and you should be good to go. If you have a phone that you want to mount, or if you have a if you have a camera, then you can put the camera on there. There you go. Thanks for watching, guys.